Hello again, everybody. It's Harry Boxer, the Technical Trader, and it's Tuesday, November 10th. Today we're going to go over some shorts. We covered the long side yesterday. I wanted to give you some of these short ideas, particularly in lieu of the fact that technicals were diverging today with the markets firm and underlying technicals showing weakness. Back to my list of off-the-box shorts. This is ABAX, which as you can see topped, came down, failed at resistance, both declining tops, moving average, and lateral. Price resistance made a lower low. Bear flagged again, and then today appears to have broken that bear flag with slightly increasing volume. Looks to me like this is a $20 stock short term, and beyond that, down around the 18.5 area is likely. Those are my targets on the stock, and then even as low as something in the 16, 17 range eventually may be doable. Dollar Thrifty Rent-A-Car, DTG, after rolling over hard from 27.5 down to 17.5, a 10-point drop in about a week and a half. The stock has bounced, but very feebly. No increase in volume, underlying technicals rather weak, and although there may be some more room up towards the 2190-22 zone to complete more of a symmetrical look, DTG looks lower to me. Next target 15.5. Beneath that, something around the 11-12 zone is doable potentially. Expedia, EXPE, came down hard and bounced. The bounce got it up just a little bit higher than I wanted to, but it did hold the top of the channel and reversed back below the 21-day moving average. Notice that very little increase in volume or technicals, and certainly looks like a stock that could begin, if it rolls over here, be a nice symmetrical head and shoulders type top. Target immediately at 20. Beneath that, something around the 17 area, and maybe lower. Moving on to Goodyear Tire and Rubber GT. Big spike down a couple weeks ago. Nothing more than a bear flag since then. Very low volume, negative technicals. Targets are 10 and 8. Navistar, which has come down in a 1, 2, 3, 4 wave decline. Expect a fifth wave that takes it down towards the 30-31 range. At the very least, perhaps as low as 28.5, and ultimately something around 23 may be doable. But this sure looks toppy, and it's having difficulty just getting back through the declining moving average, tops line, lateral price resistance. Navistar looks lower to me. Pool Corp, POOL, broke a head and shoulders type top, came down hard, and has done nothing more than bear flag with rather poor technicals. Next stop down around 15.5, 16, and maybe beyond, but we'll see how that goes. Schnitzer Steel has broken down and rallied back, very similar to some of the others, formed the bear flag. But look at the technicals, barely moved, actually gone lower here on the on-balance volume, which is an indicator of distribution, and very poor technicals as well. My targets on Schnitzer Steel is down about the 33 area. There is a stop potentially around 39, and eventually maybe even something in the mid-20s. So we'll see how that one goes. Lastly, the Valmont, similar action, has rolled over, come down hard, and bounced back up to triple resistance right in this zone around 80. Today was down 226 and showing very, very poor signs that it wants to do much more than eventually go lower. Looks like a new downtrend channel is forming. Bottom of that channel around the high 60s for about a 8 or 9 point drop, and a target down eventually around 61 or even as low as mid-50s is potentially doable depending on how ugly the market gets. And that's going to be it for today. Some ideas on the short side. I will talk to you later.